Hello and welcome to Robin's Roost. Today I've just completed my Witchy Whimsy Hat Kit, and I absolutely love decorating for holidays. Halloween and Christmas are my two favorites, but Valentine's Day and Easter aren't far behind. I don't do as much for them now because I spend them in Florida and I don't have all my decorations down there. I haven't quite decided whether I should haul them down there or not. I have less room to store stuff. So anyways, back to the Witchy Whimsy hat. It took me about an hour and a half to complete this hat. And I started without watching the video first. So when you open these directions, I guess this is just my 2 cents. I would throw them away. Okay, there's not much. It shows you the bits and pieces. And kind of, like, okay, these go together with dimensionals, but the nitty gritty of it, I started with this and really was lost. So what you need to do is scan the QR code to watch the video, or go onto YouTube and look up, because I'm not a scanner of things and I didn't have my phone. Look up Witchy Whimsy Hat Kit Stampin' Up! On YouTube, and it'll bring you to the video. Now, the video goes so fast, it's really hard. So my tip to you is to watch the video completely through once without picking up a hot glue gun or anything. Maybe open up your kit to take a look at it so you're familiar with the pieces first. But there's a few things that were not really shown well or explained, and one is the wire that goes on the hat. So the wire is super long, and I ended up cutting it because I didn't realize from the video it doesn't really show that you're supposed to leave a tail to curl up this little extra for the cards. So I actually cut it off and then glued another piece on for the cards, which worked just fine. I wish they would say leave 16 inches for the coil or something. It isn't real clear. So that's actually what I left, was about, like, leave an extra, it's probably almost a rim around the hat for this coil for the cards. You're going to wrap it up. They actually used the glitter container to wrap, and I wrapped 4 times around for the cards. That's just how I did it. Okay. Let me think what else was kind of, when you put the ribbon in, there's like a hat pin with a hook on the end, and you stick the white one in the hook and then tie a knot around the other 2 and then trim the ends. These little guys, there's these long black strips that you roll up to make the center of these flowers. Let me just pull it in. And one of them has an eyeball in the middle. Those I used my mat and actually put a dab of glue on. There's a little tab on the end of them. So I glued the little tab down lightly and then wrapped those around it. They took quite a bit of extra adhesive to get them to stay together. This rosette was pretty typical rosette. If you know how to put them together, you won't have a problem with that. The little spider just goes on another hat pin, and the spider and the stars, I'll have 2 that go, sandwiched between. Let's see what else. Oh, here you can see some of the glue, but I mean, you can arrange that so that gets covered. And let's see if we can see how I did this in the back. I don't even know where the back is. Oh, the back ended up being the side. So here's where I glued my my beginning of my wires, and then I added in that extra piece that I had cut off. I'm not quite sure how the back ended up on the side, but that's kind of the way sometimes, at least it's not in the front. I do love it. And look at, so when I first started out, I thought, oh, you have these beautiful coppery stars and then everything else is plain, but you have this wonderful glitter to add to everything. So you're going to add it and be generous. I mean, look at how pretty that is. So, and one thing they don't show you at all on the instructions is poking the wire into the hat and then crumpling it up to hold the wire in there. That was probably my my biggest was the wire and how to work that. You know, the paper pieces I'm used to using, so they were a little easier. You're going to curl these and then layer up all the flowers. And I'm trying to think if there was anything else I wanted to give you as a tip. These cards don't want to stay standing too good, but they're in that little wire thing, which maybe I don't have my wire thing bent quite right. They show putting this in the little ribbons right away, but you're actually going to end up taking them out and putting them in after you have your flowers in. So just take it, just put it together and wait until after you have your flowers in to put that in. And then I think that's about all I can think of. You're going to love it once you have it done. Again, it took me about an hour and a half to put it together. And part of that might have been because I started without watching the video first. If you watch the video first, it might go a little faster. Although if you include the video time in there, it's probably still going to be an hour and a half. So hope you enjoyed this. Jump onto my website and get one ordered. I predict these are going to go fast. I hope that they ordered tons of them, because this is gorgeous. The Halloween lovers out there, you are going to love this hat. Thanks for stopping by the Roost, and hope you have a great day.